welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate, and welcome. Today we are going to be doing several things here on the farm. We gotta tag some cows, treat some cows. This pen we did not treat for lice, but we're gonna treat them because eventually they'll be moving in with the cows that had lice, so they need to be treated. So we're gonna treat them with lice and we're gonna tag them and get it done. So here we go. Alright y'all, so right here we have one cow in here with scours. So this is the tube you use to put a little scour pill in them. And then we have our Ultra Bros, like I said, for treating the lice and that. And then I use a lasso to catch them and treat them. So I'm gonna time lapse this for you guys because this will probably take me quite a while, but we're gonna get it done. I don't want to treat cattle for lice or scours, but if they have it, I gotta treat them because you want them to be happy and healthy. Just like if you get sick, you're gonna give yourself some cough medicine or whatever it may be. So it sucks that we have to use these things to get them better, but that's what we have to do, so we're gonna do it. All right, enjoy. Well guys, we actually aren't gonna be able to finish that up today because I don't think my tagger's working right. So I gotta figure out what's wrong with that, and then we'll get it back to doing it. But at least we got them their hay bale, and then now we are gonna go grease up the tractor because I haven't done that in a little while, so that needs to be greased up. It's probably been a little while, so it needs to be done. So we're gonna go do that, and then we'll be set. Okay, so now we're gonna work on this grease gun. This is out of grease, so we gotta change it and put the new one in. There we go. New tube is in. And then take this off. Like so. Don't eat that, Daisy. Alright, we're getting this screwed on. Alright, now that's screwed. So to grease the tractor, what you do is you find all your grease certs on the piece of equipment. Right now I'm doing the loader. You put your grease gun on it, and then you just do about 6 to 8 pumps, and then you can see that grease is starting to squirt out from underneath there, so that grease zert is done. I'll do this one here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Do this one. Same deal. You just go 6 to 8 is my rule of thumb, or until you see it pop out. And that one's good. Now, if a grease zert is dirty, like the ones down there, then I got a shop rag and I'll wipe them off. So I'm gonna get to greasing the tractor. Alrighty guys, so now we are going to pick up these bins. We are going to get feed tonight, and we did get feed. Everything went good, and we won't have to feed it for a couple days yet, which is a really good thing because the less feed we go through, is kind of nice for the pocketbook. So this is good, and we're going to get these bins loaded up.